lost all we know to the storm at sea. And we have lost all we love to the storm at sea. Well, who knows what our lives will be? We have to learn how to live, gotta learn how to fight. And it's hard to stave off the dark when you can't see the light. Well, who knows if our ways will fade or survive. Keep the fires burning in whatever way we choose. We've got to trust ourselves when there's nothing left to lose. They'll come for what we've worked for, and they'll try to tear us down. They made it sound so simple, but we've gone a long way round, round. Building up ain't easy, but you'll kill us with your doubt. Here is a song for the 91 before you throw us to the ground. How is it so hard to prove that we made this alone? There's no illusions, just truth and a strength of our own. Well, our lives are worth more than your lies ever known. They call us damned and possessed, but we still are beloved. And we are here in the flesh, but we're still not enough. Well, they'll sing when we're gone, they will sing just for us. Keep the fires burning in whatever way we choose. We've got to trust ourselves when there's nothing left to lose. They'll come for what we worked for, and they'll try to tear us down. They made it sound so simple, but we've gone a long way round, round. Building up ain't easy, but you'll kill us with your doubt. Here is a song for the 91 before you throw us to the ground. Now we are laying down to rest in the bed of the sea. We may be damned and possessed, but at least we